A very hearty good evening to one and all present over here. I am Shagun with my teammates here in front of you with our own twist of imagination. As you can see that this concept is reflecting robotics, and a great philosopher said that creativity belongs to the robotics, and creativity is built through robotics. We are here with this project called MediBot, medical robot, which will provide you medicines according to the diseases. Which we have made an app, which is a self-made app, in which you have to feed what you're feeling right now. Like if you're feeling fever, if you're feeling headache, if you're feeling stomachache, you just have to feed there in a column, and it will provide you a solution, like a suggestion, which box you should open. Like these are the boxes, and this is the medical robot, and it's movable. It is having a sensor, a pulse sensor, in which you have to hold it like this, and it will show your pulse meter, like your BPM, beats per minute over there. And we didn't mean to replace humans with artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence can never ever replace humans. Humans are humans, and artificial intelligence is the creativity of humans. And we are making this robot, we are presenting this artificial intelligence here and promoting it so that it can help us in future, not just dominate us but help us. And it's movable. We can install this robot in deserted and isolated areas where there is no human. Where there is no human, artificial intelligence can reach. It can move itself, and rest of these will tell my teammate.
So MediBot is futuristic as well as futuristic. So we want to upgrade to it next level. Like we want to add there a thermal sensor that will detect the temperature of the body, as well as a camera and a IoT sensor that will connect the nearest clinic or the nearest medical facility, so that if the condition of patient is critical, so the help will be there, and the problem will be resolved as soon as possible. And as my teammate said, that our aim is not to just replace the AI with the doctors, because in our thinking, if AI cannot be useful for the humans, it is waste, and if it can't support the sustainable development, it is also waste. So we want to a sustainable development.
And also we've added a slot of depression. Like the young generation is quite depressed right now, so we've added a slot of depression. We believe that depression cannot be cured by medicines, but by motivation or by refreshments. And also we can say that this robot can help us in future, and will definitely work, and we want to upgrade it by like thermal sensor, which will detect our temperature in future. And we want to work on it, like we want to convert into a vending machine, so that the medicines will come out automatically. We don't have to pull it out like manually, and it's quite affordable to all the people, and we are working for the sake of humanity through the robotics. Thank you so much for paying attention over here. Have a pleasant day ahead.
Have a great day.